In this video, I will show you how to submit self-bill e-invoice that is copied from journal entry. First, go to Accounting, Journal Entry. Click on New and key in all the details. For example, description we write com to Jason and we choose the commission account and cash at bank. Key in the amount and after done, I click Save. Next, go to Malaysia e-Invoice self-bill document. We can click the down arrow beside New and click on Copy from Journal Entry. We search for our journal voucher and click on it. As you can see, all the details will be copied over here. We just need to choose the tax entity and correct classification code 037. You may also look at the source document. You can even click on it and see this is from which document. The details are all copied over here. If everything is done, we click Approve and Send. The e-invoice status will become valid. Once it is validated, you can also find it in your My Invoice portal. You can see it over here as well. So the supplier is from Ong Jason and the buyer is Autocount Sendirian Berhad. So that is how you submit a self-bill e-invoice that is copied from journal entry.